Understanding Change Tack, an English idiom explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating English phrase, change tack. This idiom is often used in conversations and can be quite useful in various contexts. So, let's explore its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in your daily English conversations. Change tack is an idiom that means to adopt a different approach or strategy in response to a situation. It's often used when the current method isn't working, and there's a need to try something new. The phrase originates from sailing, where tack refers to the direction of a sailboat with respect to the wind. So, when sailors change tack, they are essentially changing the boat's direction. In everyday language, it symbolizes a significant shift in approach or attitude. To better understand this idiom, let's look at some examples. 1. After seeing the negative response to the marketing campaign, the team decided to change tack and try a different approach. 2. If your study methods aren't working, maybe it's time to change tack and try a new technique. 3. The politician had to change tack after the public outcry against his policy. These examples show how change tack can be used in various scenarios, emphasizing the need for a new strategy. There are several idioms with meanings similar to change tack. These include shift gears, to change one's approach or attitude; turn over a new leaf, to start anew, especially to behave in a better or more responsible way; pivot, to make a fundamental change in strategy or approach. Understanding these similar expressions can enrich your English vocabulary and make your conversations more varied and interesting. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, change tack, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Remember, language is all about expressing ideas, and idioms like this one add color and depth to our expressions. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.